Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. About a week ago, I made a video where I made this shape, and I'd steer you to that video, but it's so boring. It's a long, drawn out video. But I started out trying to draw it with a or a four-sided or a three-sided polygon. So I'm going to draw a 4, hit P, and then I'm going to change it to a 3. That's in the center of the page. But if I control D and make a duplicate and mirror it, where do you have to go to get to the center? There's probably some mathematical equation. And see, that's not right, and I stopped it on that line. So to get that shape, let's use a star and go to the complex star, and then hold down your control button, and look at that. That's basically two triangles. And then if we go to arrange and convert to curve, select them all, go to arrange and break the curve apart, we have two triangles that are equal distance apart. And so I just kind of added that in just so I show you, because now we got the two triangles. Let's go up to effects and contour. Let's contour a little thicker this time, like 1 inch. And then grab this one and contour 1 inch. So this is a good lesson on interlocking things. Now, whenever you contour, you've got to select it all and go up to arrange and break the 4 objects apart, or your virtual segment delete key will not work. If you will hold down your Alt key, you can swipe through there. Now, if you do that one, if you continue around and then do the opposite, so continue around and do the opposite, continue around and do the opposite. Whoop, went too far. I'm holding down the Alt key. Continue around and do the opposite. Continue around and do the opposite. And this one is easy because you want to go underneath here. So you want it to be like that. Nope, I did the opposite. I'm going to say it was going to be easy. Let me back up here and do these 2 lines. I missed a line there. Now, the reason this is good for interlocking, if we take the Smart Fill tool and fill in these, change the color, let's go with a purple. And now you have interlocking triangles. And it's done with a complex star. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.